Consistency! This is just gonna be a really sharp, practical, straight to the point video where I just explain to you why changing your alarm tone is gonna be helping you in order to be consistent at doing something like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent, currently got a more than 195 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram, you can just check it out. And hey, this is May 28th, 2025, and this is going to be day 324 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, what is the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something? I don't know about you, right? But for most people, it's because they don't know when they are going to be doing that particular thing. They only say to themselves inside of their head, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising after school. And then after school comes, they say, oh, you know what, I'm pretty much exhausted. Let me just take a rest first. And, I'm just going to be doing it after dinner. And then after dinner comes, the same thing happen. You know what, I just want to like play some, video games first. And then I do something, do this thing. You know what, yeah, I'm just going to be exercising tomorrow. Okay, and the next day the same thing happens again and again and again and again. We don't know when are we going to be doing something. We procrastinate. At the end of the day, we just give the responsibility to do the thing to our tomorrow version of ourselves. And then the next day, the tomorrow version of ourselves also did the same thing, just throwing the responsibility into the tomorrow again version of ourselves. Well, we do not want this to happen, right? So that's why we need to be having a really clear time when are we going to be doing something. And one really effective way to do this is to basically just set on an alarm, okay? Exercising 5 a.m. set on our phone, okay? Set on an alarm in our phone, exercising 5 a.m., studying 5 p.m., meditating 9 p.m., okay? Something like that, right? But here's the thing. I think we can all pretty much agree that we are not going to be feeling motivated 100% of the times. Motivation comes and goes. And that's actually pretty natural. It becomes a problem when we rely so much on motivation. We only do the thing that we should be doing only when we are feeling motivated, right? So we do not want to rely on motivation. We want to rely on systems. And one of the best way on how to actually create this system is to basically just change your alarm tone. Okay, so we do not want the boring beep 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 sound. Okay, we want to change it into something that actually can motivate us, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated. It can be one of our favorite motivational song. It can be one of our favorite motivational music, or even one of our favorite motivational speech, right? So here's the thing. Even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to do it, to do the thing, when we listen to the alarm tone, we are going to be reminded of our reasons, right? Why we do this thing. And also we are going to be reminded that, oh yeah, you know what? My past version of myself, he or she wanted me to be consistent. He got some high expectation for me to actually do this thing. That's why he, changed the alarm tone into this alarm tone, right? You know what? I do not want to disappoint my past version of myself. I do not want to disappoint my future version of myself. And I do not want to disappoint myself right here, right now. So what's the thing that I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be doing the right thing, right? To exercise, to study, okay? And also, one really important thing to have here is to basically just set on a really clear target on what is considered to be enough, right? So how much exercising is enough exercising? How much studying is enough studying? Basically create on a bare minimum, daily minimum target, right? So this way you can precisely know how much is enough, right? So for example, 10 minutes of studying every single day, 10 minutes of exercising every single day. I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes of running or anything. Okay. So this way, when you just say, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing 10 minutes of studying, I actually did the 10 minutes of studying. I can precisely say that, you know what, I've done the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing, and it's going to give us some sense of accomplishment, some sense of, you know what, when you just play some video games and you just finish the quest, you are going to be thinking like, oh yeah, I've made it, right? The same thing's going to happen in real life. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Join our Discord. You can also support my long form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. Just saying that ideas that the ideas that I present on my videos are not originally mine. I also get it from other books and other creators, and also my own experiences. Right. So that's it. For today's day of Felicity Post today, May 28th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a 10-hour shift post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now. Um, Thank you. You know, I do not have an editor right now.